beautiful, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna cover how to do perfect hip pleats while pregnant. So let's get started. I've draped my sari and I've put the pallu over my left shoulder. And now I'm gonna start with the front pleats. So what I'm gonna do is take the part of the sari that's closest to me and bring it around really tight around my body and bring it here and then add a pin right here, right in the middle, so it stays put. And you kind of want to just lift up the sari and the underskirt, the Saree Silhouette. It's pretty close to the top of the waistband, so you can even just like put your finger underneath and kind of just like guide it so you don't poke yourself. Be very careful, especially if you're pregnant. At any time. So once you've pinned the sari to the front of your Saree Silhouette and you hold the sari down like that, this is about 5 inches that I'm holding it from the pin, but you might need to hold more or less depending on how big your bump is or if you have a bump at all. And what you're gonna do is grab that and then kind of just twist it. And as you're twisting it, you're gonna see that it's gonna create these pleats. And you're just gonna guide the pleats and define them however you'd like. And what it's also doing is that it's tightening this part of the drape, so it gives you a lot of shape. And then once you're happy with that, you can just tuck it in. And then you're gonna take the rest of the sari and pleat very narrow pleats so that you get as many pleats as you possibly can. Especially if you have a bump like me, then you're gonna get less fabric here to do your pleats with. So as you can see, you have your pleats and then you have the beautiful hip pleats already formed. And it's such a quick way and an easy way to do the pleats and get them perfect every single time. Not only is this method super easy, it also allows you to use the minimum amount of sari to create the hip pleats. And this is important because you want to make sure you have enough sari for front pleats and a long enough pallu. And you want to make sure that you're using every inch of the sari to its maximum potential. So it's easy and it gets you the results you want, which is a total win-win in my books. I hope you try this out. If you're pregnant, congratulations. And even if you're not, this is a super easy method to do the hip pleats and grasp the method or the technique, especially if you're a beginner. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave any questions you have for me in the comments, and I will see you in a future video.